Hey, this is your sacred scribe here for Nature Speaks 333, ready to channel a tree, this tree right here. So give me one moment so that way I can connect. If you're interested in a tarot reading, head on over to my other channel, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot, where I do daily readings and also offer personal readings in my Etsy shop, which is in the link in the description box below. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel as well. So give me one moment and I will get the message. Hi. What's your name? Did you say Logan? 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 Hello, Logan. Do you have a message for the collective? Okay, what is it? Ascertaining what is real and what is not within your reality. There are many things within your reality that you second guess. Things that you see, things that you may hear from the universe, even see and hear in your dreams. Pay attention to those messages that you receive in the dream states. For they are clues to what's going on inside of you. They are clues about the reality that you are experiencing and what is to come. The falsehoods that exist upon your planet run far and wide. These are collective messages. All receive in many ways across your planet. Your newscasters, the media in general. Believe in what is going on the inside of you rather than what is going on the outside from outside sources such as these. Oh, did you just say escape routes? What does that mean? Many escape routes are being created. Wow, for what? For those who do not wish to be a part of the collective brainwashing that is occurring on your planet and has been occurring for many, many eons. These escape routes will offer a cascade of information that will introduce you to a new way of being, to a new way of existing. There is no such thing I'm sorry, I'm trying to get the end of this. I almost didn't say there is no such thing because I couldn't get the end. Give me a moment. There is no such thing as exile. For everything is in the now. So we use the word escape in a sense that you are freeing yourself from what you have been experiencing as your norm. There is a rattling of the cage that will occur across the planet and invade many, many minds of those who are not listening, who are not seeing or accepting of what is occurring outside of this norm you are experiencing. Some of these escape routes will be placed along the lines of the equator. Equator? Okay. Okay, all right, they want me to tell you about some of the messages that I received in the past, starting in 2015. I was receiving messages, and at this time I lived in Arkansas, of Harriet Tubman and the Underground Railroad and the Trail of Tears. This is when my guide, James, came through. He was a slave on the Trail of Tears. Now I'm understanding, because I had no clue what they wanted me to do with this information. I'm now beginning to understand a little bit more as they talk about these escape routes. So, is that what you wanted me to? Okay. That's what they wanted me to offer you, if that means anything to you or that helps. Okay, give me another moment. Taking a higher road is necessary when dealing with this mass consciousness. As there will be more under this spell, as you would understand it, then you realize those who choose otherwise will be led to where they need to be when they need to be there. Oh my God, my whole body is goosebumps. So if you have had a feeling that you need to be somewhere and that you're waiting for something, it is coming, and it's coming quicker than you may think, than you may feel. This will be unexpected for all. But know and believe in what you're feeling and what you're knowing within you. This will be challenging, as many of your loved ones will be within the mass consciousness of the programming and will choose to stay in that energetic field. So stay focused within yourself and get to know yourself before the time comes. We will be here to guide you. Oh my gosh. Is that it? Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Is this why I have the capability to talk to trees? I'm like, I've always been like, why me? Like, why? I don't know. Wow, I literally got goosebumps all over my body. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it made sense to you all. Please drop a like, share, and subscribe below. Comment about this if you've felt anything regarding any of these messages from the trees. Please share. I get the feeling that we all need to share information because everybody has a capability within them, a gift. And this is why they're saying, look within, because you won't find this gift unless you look within yourself and believe in yourself and your own unique capabilities, okay? So if you're interested in a tarot card reading, link is in the description box below to my Etsy shop. Also visit my other channel, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot. Like, share, and subscribe. I offer daily tarot readings for all of the astrological signs. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I will catch you tomorrow. Once again, namaste.